What's going on, world? This is Brian coming back to show you another easy way to make some money. This is using the Cash App. When you download the Cash App using my referral link that's in the description of this video, you can get $5 when you use the app. They'll give me $5 for being the one that referred you as well. So once you open up the app, you see on the top left, that circle there, that's where your profile picture is. You tap that. It will allow you to set up your cash tag, and that's how you send and receive money from people. My cash tag is $Brian, Bryan, last name Ellis, Ellis, and under that is where you can see how to invite friends and get $5 for free. So it says when you invite your friends, we'll send you both $5 when they try to Cash App. So since I referred you, if you don't have anybody to help get the $5 with, you can send the $5 to me and I'll send it right back. When I do that, Cash App is going to give me $5 and send you $5 as well. So I don't want this to have to cost you any money. So you can send the money to me and I'll send it right back. To do that, you have to link a card down here under bank accounts or add credit card. So I have two sources of funds that I have attached to this app. Once you do that, come back to the main screen. The main screen is when you pay people or send money and request for money to be sent to you. So this is what you'll do. You'll hit 5 and then pay $Brian Ellis, and then so that I know that you're just doing this for the bonus, under where it says for, type bonus. Oops. And that way I know that you are somebody that used my link to sign up. And I'll also know because it's only $5. So when I receive the $5, I'll send it right back to you. We'll both get $5 from the cash team. And that's it. It's an easy way to make $5. So when you want to do this again, because you and I can only do this once. So you want to make some more money, you use your link to give to somebody else. Take that off. Go back to your profile under invite friends, like right there, cash.me/app and all of that right there. That's my link. You'll have your own link. And that's what you send to other people. When they download the app, you can do the same thing with them. They can send you $5. You send it right back. You both will make $5. So this is a way that people make some easy extra money for free using the Cash App. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one.